Welcome, dear travelers, to San Francisco, the city by the bay. Nestled on the western coast of the United States, this city is a gem waiting to be discovered. It's a stone's throw away from dynamic cities like Los Angeles and Sacramento, and not too far from the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. Geographically, San Francisco is a city of hills, surrounded by water on three sides, with the Pacific Ocean to the west, and the San Francisco Bay to the north and east. The city's unique topography lends itself to a mild Mediterranean climate, with cool, wet winters and dry summers. Yet the city's weather is famously unpredictable and can change rapidly, so bring layers, but don't let the foggy weather deter you. San Francisco is a city of diverse neighborhoods, rich culture, and world-class cuisine, all set against the backdrop of stunning natural beauty. Prepare yourself for an unforgettable journey through this vibrant city. San Francisco boasts a plethora of landmarks and scenic spots. Let's start with the city's most iconic symbol, the Golden Gate Bridge. This majestic vermilion suspension bridge is a must-see for every visitor. Whether you drive, bike, or walk across it, the views of the city and the bay are nothing short of breathtaking. Next, we journey to Alcatraz Island. Known as The Rock, this former federal prison is now a popular tourist destination. Here you can explore the intriguing history of infamous inmates, daring escapes, and life on Alcatraz. Now, let's take a stroll down to Fisherman's Wharf. This bustling waterfront marketplace is a foodie's dream, offering a smorgasbord of fresh seafood, artisanal cheese, and delectable pastries. Don't forget to take a moment to watch the playful sea lions at Pier 39. A few blocks away, you'll find Chinatown, the oldest and largest of its kind in North America. Wander through its vibrant streets filled with exotic aromas, colorful lanterns, and traditional music. While you're here, be sure to try the legendary dim sum and fortune cookies. But San Francisco is more than its popular tourist spots. For a less crowded experience, visit the tranquil Japanese tea garden in Golden Gate Park. Here you can enjoy a traditional tea ceremony amidst beautifully manicured landscapes, or venture to the Mission District to see the remarkable murals at Clarion Alley. These vibrant artworks reflect the city's rich cultural heritage and its residents' social and political commentary. For a taste of local tradition, check out the Ferry Building Marketplace on a Saturday morning. This bustling farmers market offers a variety of local produce, artisanal foods, and handmade crafts. It's an ideal place to pick up a unique souvenir or sample the region's freshest flavors. Each spot in San Francisco has its unique vibe, making your visit a truly diverse experience. San Francisco is a gastronomical paradise, serving up a mix of cuisines from around the world. In the heart of the city, you'll find a dish that's as unique as the city itself, the Mission-style burrito. It's a hefty wrap, loaded with rice, beans, and your choice of meat, then topped with salsa, guacamole, and sour cream. It's a meal in itself, and a must-try for anyone visiting the city for the first time. No trip to San Francisco would be complete without sampling the legendary clam chowder, served in a sourdough bread bowl. The Fisherman's Wharf is the perfect place to indulge in this creamy delight. As the fog rolls in from the bay, there's nothing quite like the comforting warmth of this local favorite. And of course, we can't talk about San Francisco food without mentioning Ghirardelli chocolates. Known for their rich and decadent squares, Ghirardelli is a San Francisco institution. A visit to their historic factory is a must for any chocolate lover. San Francisco is also home to some of the best dining districts in the country. The Mission District in particular is a food lover's dream. Here you'll find everything from gourmet donuts to artisanal ice cream and of course those famous burritos. For those looking to experience the city's vibrant food markets, the Ferry Building Marketplace is a must-visit. Located on the Embarcadero, this bustling market is a haven for foodies, offering a diverse range of local produce, gourmet foods, and artisanal goods. It's a great place to grab a bite, pick up some unique food souvenirs, or just soak in the lively atmosphere. And let's not forget about the city's fabulous food trucks. They're an integral part of San Francisco's dining scene, offering a wide variety of cuisines from around the world. From Mexican to Middle Eastern, there's a food truck for every palate. Savor the flavors of the city to truly appreciate its diverse culinary scene. San Francisco is a year-round destination, but some seasons offer unique experiences. The city's mild climate is inviting, but it's worth noting that different times of the year can shape your experience. Spring, from March to May, is a wonderful time to visit. With blooming flowers and pleasant temperatures, it's also less crowded, allowing you to truly soak in the city's charm. Summer, from June to August, is peak tourist season. Expect a bustling city filled with vibrant events like the San Francisco Pride Parade. However, be prepared for the city's famous summer fog. Fall, from September to November, offers warm temperatures and clear skies, making it perfect for outdoor activities. Winter, from December to February, is the quietest time to visit, but don't forget to pack a coat. San Francisco also hosts various festivals and events throughout the year, further enhancing your visit. Choose your time wisely to get the most out of your San Francisco visit. When in San Francisco, do as the San Franciscans do. This is a mantra that will serve you well during your time in this vibrant city. San Francisco is a melting pot of cultures, so etiquette can vary. However, there are a few general rules that everyone respects. First, it's important to be mindful of the city's diverse population. San Franciscans are proud of their multicultural heritage, so avoid stereotyping or making assumptions about people based on their appearance or background. In the world of dining, it's considered polite to wait for your server to bring your bill, rather than asking for it. And remember, tipping is not optional. It's customary to leave between 15 to 20% of your bill. If you're in a group, make sure to check if a gratuity has been automatically added to avoid over-tipping. When it comes to getting around, remember that pedestrians have the right of way. Whether you're driving or biking, be sure to yield to those on foot. And speaking of biking, always wear a helmet. It's not just a good idea, it's the law. San Francisco is known for its environmental consciousness. Be sure to recycle and compost whenever possible, and consider using a reusable water bottle or coffee cup. The city's residents take pride in their efforts to reduce waste, and you'll fit right in if you do the same. One useful tip is to always dress in layers. The city's microclimates mean that the weather can change dramatically from neighborhood to neighborhood. A sunny morning in the Mission District can quickly turn into a foggy afternoon in the Sunset. So, be prepared. Finally, when you're exploring the city's iconic landmarks, remember to be respectful. These are not just tourist attractions, but beloved parts of the city's history and culture. Whether you're riding a cable car, crossing the Golden Gate Bridge, or visiting Alcatraz, be mindful of your surroundings and respectful of others. Remember, respect for local culture enhances your travel experience. You'll find that following these tips will not only make your stay more enjoyable, but will also allow you to truly experience San Francisco like a local. Getting around San Francisco is a breeze, and so is finding a place to stay. Let's start with accommodations. Whether you're a budget backpacker or a luxury traveler, San Francisco has an array of options to suit your needs. If you want to be close to the airport, there are numerous hotels and short-term rentals within a stone's throw of San Francisco International Airport. But don't worry about the noise, soundproofing is a standard feature in these accommodations. For those who prefer the hustle and bustle of downtown, the city center offers an array of hotels, from boutique hideaways to high-rise luxury suites. Public transportation hubs are conveniently located throughout the city, so no matter where you choose to stay, you'll have easy access to the sights and sounds of San Francisco. Speaking of transportation, let's talk about how you'll get around this city of hills. The San Francisco Municipal Railway, affectionately known as MUNI, is the primary public transit system. It operates a network of buses, trams, and the world-famous cable cars. A single ride on MUNI will cost you just a few dollars, but if you're planning on using it frequently, consider purchasing a MUNI passport for unlimited rides over a certain period. San Francisco is also a cycling city with plenty of bike rental shops scattered around. If you're feeling adventurous, grab a helmet and cycle across the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. Or if you prefer to explore on foot, the city offers a myriad of walking tours, each with its unique theme, from historical landmarks to foodie trails. Remember, San Francisco's streets are known for their inclines, so whether you're cycling or walking, be prepared for a bit of a workout. But don't let that deter you, the views from the top are worth every step. And if you want to venture beyond the city, car rentals are readily available. Just keep in mind that parking in San Francisco can be a challenge, so plan accordingly. Plan your stay and commute for a hassle-free San Francisco adventure. San Francisco offers a shopping experience like no other. This city is a treasure trove of unique keepsakes, local crafts, and artisanal goods that capture its vibrant spirit. When it comes to shopping, you can't miss a stroll through the historic ferry-building marketplace. It's a foodie's paradise, but it's also home to a host of local artisans, selling everything from handmade jewelry to unique San Francisco-themed souvenirs. You'll find a diverse array of products that celebrate the city's creativity and culture. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away is Pier 39, a bustling waterfront marketplace filled with specialty shops. Here you can find everything from San Francisco-themed apparel and accessories to locally made sweet treats. And if you're in search of a memorable keepsake, look no further than the selection of unique handcrafted items, many of which capture the essence of the city by the bay. The Mission District is another must-visit shopping destination. Valencia Street in particular is a hotspot for independent boutiques and vintage stores. It's the perfect place to find one-of-a-kind items that reflect the city's eclectic style and spirit. For a more traditional shopping experience, head over to Union Square. Here you'll find a mix of high-end retailers and local boutiques. It's the city's premier shopping district, offering a wide range of options from fashion-forward clothing to unique home decor. But let's not forget about San Francisco's vibrant art scene. The city is full of galleries and shops featuring local artists and craftsmen. From the Haight Street Art Center to the numerous studios in the Mission District, there are plenty of places to pick up a piece of San Francisco's thriving art scene. Lastly, don't miss out on Chinatown, the oldest in North America. It's a bustling neighborhood filled with shops selling traditional Chinese goods, from tea and spices to silk clothing and handcrafted items. It's the perfect place to find a unique souvenir that truly captures the diverse culture of San Francisco. In short, no matter your taste or budget, San Francisco's shopping scene has something for everyone. So whether you're looking for a special memento or a gift for someone back home, you're sure to find it in this vibrant city. Take a piece of San Francisco home with you to remember your amazing journey. San Francisco is a city that will steal your heart with its charm and diversity. We've journeyed together, discovering the corners of this vibrant city, from its iconic landmarks to the hidden gems that make it so special. Remember, the Golden Gate Bridge isn't just for photos, it's a testament to human ingenuity and an emblem of the city's enduring spirit. Don't forget to explore the colorful life of Fisherman's Wharf and the winding Lombard Street, each place brimming with its unique character. Our culinary adventure took us through the diverse flavors of San Francisco. The city's cuisine is as varied as its culture, with tantalizing seafood at the Wharf, the delectable dim sum in Chinatown, and the irresistible Mission-style burritos. Remember, every meal here is a chance to taste the world. Timing your visit is key to making the most of your journey. While San Francisco is beautiful throughout the year, spring and fall offer mild weather and fewer crowds. But don't underestimate the city's infamous fog. It's as much a part of the experience as the cable cars and Victorian houses. Speaking of which, getting around the city is part of the fun, whether you're hopping on a historic cable car, biking across the Golden Gate, or simply walking the hilly streets. And when it comes to accommodations, San Francisco offers options for every traveler, from luxurious hotels to quaint bed and breakfasts and budget-friendly hostels. Etiquette and respect go a long way in any city, and San Francisco is no exception. Remember to be considerate of the environment and the locals. This city thrives on its diversity and welcoming spirit, so let's keep it that way. Lastly, don't leave without a piece of San Francisco to take home. Whether it's artisanal chocolates from Ghirardelli, a local craft from the Ferry Building Marketplace, or a unique treasure from Haight-Ashbury, your souvenirs will be a reminder of your incredible journey. San Francisco awaits you, dear travelers, so pack your bags and set off for a memorable adventure in the city by the bay.